I think also one of the things when you when we talked about the Six-Day War, that's very interesting is the whole concept of surprise attacks, um, which of course is what the Israelis did
Mhm.
do in 1967, and also um, what the Egyptians did against the Israelis in 1973. And really, every decade since the 1940s, you have had these surprise attacks. Now, usually they're not launched by democracies like Israel. They're usually launched by totalitarian powers, which can keep surprise attacks as genuine surprises. And so you have the 1940s with the attack on Pearl
Mhm.
Harbor, 1950s, you have the a sudden attack across the 39th parallel that we mentioned earlier in from North Korea to South Korea. In the 1960s, you have the Six-Day War, 1970s, the Yom Kippur War, 1980s, the Falklands, that came out of a completely clear blue sky. No one was expecting that. 2001, the September the 11th attacks. And then, of course, more recently, the horrific attack on southern
Mhm.
Israel after the 7th of October, 2023. So the thing about surprise attacks is, as Paul Wolfowitz once said, the surprising thing about surprise attacks is that we're still surprised by them. Because they do happen quite as regularly in history as one might expect.